Have you ever seen terms like KB, MB, GB, or TB and wondered what they mean? To understand them, first we need to know the difference between bit and byte. Let's understand it in the simplest way possible. What is a bit? A bit is the smallest unit of data in a computer. Bit stands for binary digit. A bit can store only two values, 0 or 1. Computers use billions of these bits to process information. What is a byte? A byte is a group of 8 bits. Bytes are used to measure file size and storage. For example, 1 kilobyte equals 1024 bytes, 1 megabyte equals 1024 kilobytes, 1 gigabyte equals 1024 megabytes. The main difference is size. A bit is very small, a byte is larger because it contains 8 bits. Bit is written with a small letter b. Byte is written with a capital letter B. For example, Mbps means megabits per second, Mbps means megabytes per second. This is why internet speed and file size are measured differently. Think of a bit like one letter, and a byte like a complete word made from multiple letters. A single bit alone cannot store much information, but bytes can store meaningful data. Where bits are mostly used for internet speed, network speed. Data transfer rates, example, 100 megabits per second internet speed. Where bytes are mostly used for file sizes, storage capacity, RAM and SSD sizes, example, 256 gigabyte storage. Quick recap. A bit is the smallest unit of data. A byte contains 8 bits, bits measure speed, bytes measure storage. Now you understand the difference between bit and byte. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byteboard, and tell me in the comments, did you know the difference before this video?